Today, we're diving into a question I've been seeing pop up a lot. Is StashAway solely for American investors? Now, I know a lot of you are curious about this, especially those of you who aren't U.S. citizens. So, let's clear the air and get to the bottom of this. First, let's quickly recap what StashAway is. It's a popular investment platform that offers automated investing, making it easy for anyone to start investing, regardless of their experience level. They use a robo-advisor approach, which means algorithms are used to select and manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. The global reach of StashAway. So, is StashAway only for Americans? Well, the short answer is no. While StashAway has its roots in the U.S., it has expanded its services to several other countries, including Singapore and Malaysia. Key factors to consider. However, it's important to note that the specific features and investment options available can vary depending on your location. Here are a few key factors to consider. Regulatory compliance. Different countries have different financial regulations. StashAway needs to comply with these regulations to offer its services. This can impact the types of investments available and the fees charged. Tax implications. Tax laws vary from country to country. It's crucial to understand the tax implications of investing through StashAway, especially if you're an international investor. Consulting with a tax advisor can help you navigate this complexity. Currency exchange. If you're investing in a currency different from your home currency, you'll need to consider currency exchange rates and fees. These can impact your overall returns. Checking availability in your country. The best way to determine if StashAway is available in your specific country is to visit their official website. They usually have information about the countries they serve and the services they offer in each region. Alternatives for international investors. If StashAway isn't available in your country, don't worry. There are several other investment platforms that cater to international investors. Some popular options include Betterment, a U.S.-based robo-advisor that offers international investing. Wealthfront, another U.S.-based robo-advisor with international investment options. Interactive Brokers, a brokerage platform that allows you to invest in stocks and ETFs from around the world. While StashAway is not exclusively for Americans, its availability and specific offerings can vary depending on your location. It's essential to do your research and consider factors like regulatory compliance, tax implications, and currency exchange rates before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.